In this video, you will learn why RevX has the most reliable cold plunge systems. Most cold plunge systems use a two-part design, combining the chiller and filtration into a single unit. While convenient, this design often leads to problems. Undersized pumps burn out, and low-quality compressors fail within a year, just after the warranty expires, leaving you with a big and heavy paperweight. RevX Wellness changes the game with an innovative three-part system built to last for years, not months. Our system separates the water pump and filtration from the chiller for unparalleled reliability and performance. Industrial-grade chillers deliver rapid cooling and heating from 34 to 104 degrees, controlled by an intelligent thermostats and powerful yet quiet fan. Our commercial-grade filtration system delivers powerful cleaning and crystal-clear water. The pump is 4 times stronger than the industry average, offering the highest flow rate among cold plunges, which leads to high system efficiency and a colder plunging experience. The pump is also accessible if it ever needs to be replaced. We offer inflatable, durable, and portable tubs and barrels for the best comfort and convenience. Don't settle for a system that only lasts months. Choose a three-part system designed for years of reliable use.